Sunday today, guys. I got it right today. Mother's Day. Hope you're all having a really good time wherever you are, and whatever you're doing, whatever time, day, afternoon, night, evening, whatever.
Hey. There's another yellow butterfly over there. Just
Yeah.
gone flies a tree.
So out and about today, we just sat on top of a hill in a different area where we've been to before. I thought we'd sit here for a bit, just to chill, as you do. See what's going on around here. Enjoy the scenery, wildlife. Seen a green butterfly, never seen one of them before.
Yeah, there's another one over there.
Yeah, really weird green butterflies. Really weird there. Wonder if I bite. Anyway, so that's what we're doing for a Mother's Day, just chilling on a nice sunny day. And we've got some posts, whatever they are, I can't fucking see. Yeah.
There's an owl on that one. On that post.
I know.
There's a bear down there.
And a bear. Oh yes. Really weird bear and shit. So we're just chilling, guys. So catch you all later. Have a great day.